Okay, not what I wanted.
Skilled. Skilled.
Fair and balanced. Oof.
Okay, he's gone.
Fair and balanced.
He just.
Bruh.
Yeah, I'm lagging extremely badly.
Bruh.
He's practically flying.
Oh, Mr. Uber back. I'm so cold.
Yeah, and I'm very low.
I'm lagging so badly, it's actually insane. I'm at like 500 ping.
Hit one of the shinobis.
Oh, my bad, Justin.
Oh my god, mage is here. Necro.
The legend.
Oh,
I'm literally at 600 ping.
Okay, I'm 2v1ing the shinobis right now. I'm just standing underneath the ledge so they can't, like, one-combo me. Watch out. Oh, god, the...
Okay,
I knocked
Necro's
Necro
on
down
me.
into the water.
Well, I'm getting, like, danked by...
Oh, I'm lagging terribly.
they're pulling out.
I can't move, I can't, okay?
Oh my god, I'm so
I
low.
can't move.
Bro, I can't even cascade correctly. Oh my god.
I literally can't move.
That is very normal.
Okay.
You good?
Still lagging.
Oh.
I'm still lagging. 7,000 ping.
Okay, that's a Justin
okay.
thing.
Justin,
Yo, there's a sea mage.
just
Yeah,
combat
but
log.
Are they gripping you? Oh.
I can't even tell.
Yeah, I can't really tell what's going on with Justin. Justin, there's a sea mage in the
I
corner.
can't play the game.
Necro just blew himself up. He's in the poison.
Bro, you gotta be kidding me.
Oh, he's knocked. Gate.
Get.
Please be backfire. It didn't backfire. Oh my god, frick. Bro, I backhalf correctly on accident.
E battery.
Oh my god. I hit him out of the air again? Bro, these guys are
I'm
so
just sending the
bad.
volley, just.
Okay.
Pro Shinobis.
I really wish I had Sajita right now. Yeah, honestly, just spam AoE moves.
I'm so fucking low.
I just backfired. The Uber Necro just sent the gate, bruh. I'm solo too. Uber Necro is on me. Oh my god.
Yo, beast.
What? Hello? What? Dazzy, did you see that?
I saw that.
Okay, I made it out kinda. Jesus